It's school time. Are you ready for this? Well, I have a lot of fun things to share with you. But first, let's start with my CreativeDex buds. You guys have been asking for more and more and more cards, and you know what? Here's another fun one. This is for my memory decks, my CreativeDex, Rolodex kind of people that love to do more items in their rolls or in their boxes. Look at how fun this is. This one's kind of cool though too, because it almost looks like a book. And I have lots of fun samples to share with you. And it has a mini version. Nice, right? Okay, stay tuned. We also have this gorgeous, and I know it doesn't look like much here, so I'm going to show you this one. Dearest Friend. It comes with the words Dearest Friend, and this stunning braided oval die. It is so beautiful. Yes, you can make it into a card if you want to, but look at how beautiful and delicate it is, and it comes with the shadow die. Lots of samples. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. I cannot believe it is almost school time. Back to school already. Oh, where does the summer go? Anyway, this Slimline bus is more than just a bus, and my samples will prove it. You are getting a school bus. The word school bus is separate, so you don't have to put that in there if you don't want to. You're also getting 2 mini buses. Why? Because I could. And look at how fun it is, slimline size. Now, let's start with our fun CreativeDex cards, because you know what? Our design team is getting more and more creative with them, and they are just stunning. Here's a cute little one. Coffee recipes, iced coffee, brew strong coffee, pour over ice, enjoy. I love it. Here's a cute little one with the letter S for if you're doing like a little alphabet one or address one. Here's a cute one, posies, so cute. Here's a cute one, hop on over my friend, I love it. And then on the back, it has the name, the address, phone, email, and things like that from the stamp set. Ooh, cookie time, perfect for your cookie recipes. How fun is that? Or here's one for Bible verses. Notice how it looks like an open book. Perfect for your Bible verses. On the back, when in doubt, turn to the Bible. This is one of our stamp sets you can add as well. And look, she even used the smaller one to look like the inside of the Bible. Here's a cute one, lemonade. I love it. On the back, you can add name, birthday, anniversaries, and notes. Wow. 4th of July, America. Look at that, using one of our rosette dies. You know I love those. Oh, they're perfect. I love them. Now here's a fun one, and this is a sneak peek on a future item, but I'm going to show you these anyway. August birthdays, using our s'mores. And then here we go, name, birthday, anniversary, notes. And that's so fun. I love that. Here we have October birthdays, and you can add all your October birthdays behind that. Here's an even example on the back. And then November birthdays. I love it. Now, if you're looking at those months saying, oh, I want those, coming soon, coming soon. Stay tuned. That was a big sneak peek. Now, let's look at our Dearest Friend braided oval. Because let me just tell you, my friends, look at how beautiful it is. It is so intricate. You're definitely going to want to use adhesive on the back using our adhesive sheets, because it means it's so much easier. Look at that. It even has that fun oval for the shadow die, which you can use on the inside. It also fits perfectly on 5x7 size card bases as well, so that's handy. Here's another one on an A2 size card, Dearest Friend. But, could you use different words on the inside? Of course you can. Look at this one. Isn't that stunning? Braided oval frame with Merry Christmas on the inside. Is that just beautiful? So beautiful, using our foil paper and a little bit of glitter. I absolutely love it. Or another one using foil paper. Love this. Although no words can really help to ease the loss you bear, just know that you are very close in every thought and prayer. Isn't that beautiful? And the modern stencil in the background. I love it. The modern cross stencil in the background. Love that. Thinking of you and wishing you peace. Beautiful. Now, let's go to school. Are you ready? We're going to school. Here we go. So this was the original, going to school. Well, I already showed you the other one, right? But here we go. Here's another school bus on a slimline card. Also fits perfectly on a slimline card with our cute little sunglasses on there. Why not turn it into a live life in full bloom? Right? Right? Isn't that adorable? Okay. Or let's turn it into a puppy party bus. Can you imagine? I've always wanted the boys to have a puppy party because puppies are so, who doesn't love puppies? Hello, everyone loves puppies. But look at how cute this is. This is, oh, that's little Miller, the Peep Miller. Here's all our doggy dies and stamps, the Friends for Cookie, the School Bus Fold-it, the dog treats and puppy games. Oh, so cute. I love this. Look how cute that is. Best friends. Or it could be a bus in the middle of Central America. I knew Michelle to need this one. Look at how cute this is. I love this. We got a sack of flour here. We got some limes. We got some carrots. We got some chickens. It is ready to go. You can go anywhere. Some pineapples. I love it. Or you could have a Christmas school bus with our slimline, with one of our trees on the top. Love that. Look how cute that is. We got our little woodland guys in there. School bus joy. We got some little stenciled snowflakes on there. You guys, so many options with the school bus. It's insane, isn't it? It's not just a little yellow school bus. It is so many more, especially this puppy one. Hello. So many more options. I love it. Club members, come on. You know the deal. 15 to 20% off the entire website. If you're not in the club, go to the website, join the club, click it, just watch the video. We have a club for everyone. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.